Hi! In front of me is TCL 306 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access calendar by tapping on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner and just got it. Following that, you need to tap on the month above. Then pick a date that you wish to set up, I will go with that one, and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now select event and adjust it however you want to. So sorry, that was a misclick. For example, you can add a title. Over here, select starting hour or ending one. You can also disable this feature completely by tapping on this filter next to all day. You can also add people from your contact book, add video, add location over here. Select while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. Now you need to set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Take notes, add attachments, and even change color. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, now my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to tap on it and click on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then make your changes and just save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Now select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!